Hello, Blue Evans here, and today I'm with Marietta Marine. Going to be showing you the 2022 SeaArk, the ProCat 200. It's in the smoke quartz color. It comes on the Marine Masters tandem axle trailer with surge brakes. It's going to be powered by the Suzuki DF200 4-stroke. Got the Floation Pods with a 3-step stainless steel ladder. And cat rack. Scan around the interior of this boat. Walk through windshield. Nice big bow casting deck. It's got seat bases for 3 pedestal seats. Trolling motor pre-wire. A nice large Bimini top. It's got your 2 swivel seats for the captain and your co-captain. Rod storage, lockable on the starboard and the port side. It's got a wash down system on it. Nice storage. Comes with Sea-Star hydraulic steering. Nice gauge package here, hour meter, Suzuki multifunction tack, fuel, speedometer, volts. For more information on the 2022 SeaArk ProCat 200, contact Blue at 770-367-9802 or visit us here at the dealership, which is located at 1500 Kellogg Creek Road, Ackworth, Georgia, 30102. And remember to ask for Blue.